Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Agentic Intelligence Masterclass series. So, this is Shankar Ganesh from PantechELearning. So, welcome to all. Welcome to the day 13 of Agentic Intelligence series, like last day of this particular Masterclass series. So, in this particular session, we have just recall the entire topics. Just like that, what are the major concept? So, one or two concept we have to like more, right? For an example, the hand gesture reduction with the coding wise, hand gesture reduction, virtual assistant agent creation, like personal assistant agent creation, and then object detecting agent. Like that way, we have to some unique concepts is there. So once again, we can execute that and see the output wise. What is that? How it was? Each one is executed. Like that way, we have to just overview wise we have discussed, and we can wind up this session. Okay. So as well as today you can any had doubts means you can ask me, we can discuss about that. Okay, so just one or two slides I have, so just overview my recall wise we have to discuss about that, then we can enter into the execution process of previous agents. Okay, fine. Now we can continue this. Yeah, so today is our last class of this particular agents concepts. So how we can start beginning of this session, how we can start, what is agent? Like that we have to start, and the coding part, without coding part we have to travel with the particular topic wise. We can facing some issues also, so some kind of days we can postpone the session, and some technical issue we have to facing on the live. So like that way, this kind of things we have to facing in this 30 days. So apart from that, we have to complete in today's session, complete with the today's session. I hope I can share whatever I know I had to share to you. I hope you can understand. So already we know that what is AI agent. It helps to, based on the environment and decision wise, they have to automatically do their work. That is AI agents. Okay. So they have to properly work like a perception, reasoning, and action wise. Perception wise, thinking wise, they have to first they have to listening, then just think, finally it's execute the process. So automatically without human interaction, they have to execute the process. That is AI agent. Simply we can say it. That is we can that technical term wise the autonomous, like automatically, right? And then so like picturize wise we have to discuss. So start with the one agent like hello. One just an example. Alfred wise we have to discuss in the beginning of the session, like first day session. So the user will give a one kind of task. The agent has to go and make a plan for this executing the process. Then they have to execute, implement the particular process. Finally, it's complete the task and provide it to the user. Like this way, we have to do every agents with the coding, without coding. So same user query is a input. The completion is of the task is the output. Okay, that like that we have to remember that. So this is the way the process has been executed. The user request wise, they have to first step they have to think and plan. Second step they have to using the tools where they have to execute. Finally, they have to make on like complete the particular task. So use of the tools wise they have to complete. Okay. So like this way every agent has to be in work. And what is the difference between the generative AI agents and the agentic AI? So already was discussed, right? Generative AI is a create new things. So every data, so text data, video, audio, image, everything they have to generate, newly generate based on the previous data wise. That is generative AI. The agentic AI is a perform the task autonomously and can pursue the goal based one. AI agent is a tool based one. Agentic AI is one of the process. AI agent is one of the tool. So already I show the examples also for this one, right? So this is the difference between the agentic AI as well as AI agents. Okay. So combine generative and agentic capabilities to accomplish the complex objectives. That was the AI agents and agentic AI. Then what is the difference between the agentic AI versus generative AI? So the agentic AI is a autonomous, goal-oriented, real-time environment, utilize the tools and APIs, continuous adaptation, and autonomous system, independent decision making. These are all the factors they are using in agentic AI. Generative AI is a creative one and output oriented, content based, and no external tools we have to use, and no adaptation from the real time wise and content creation. make a decision based on the input patterns. Okay, this is a difference between the generative AI as well as agentic AI. So already we know about that. We was discussed lots of things in our last previous sessions. Okay, so we will come to here later. Okay, not now. So now I have to go into the execution process, like three different things I shared now. So same thing, we have to recall that again. At end of the session, like Pranav Tandil, he is there or not, I don't know. He is asking about how can we sell our agent in income generation way, like they have to ask. So I found one or two platforms I have to found here. So I will share in the end of the session. Okay, fine. Yeah, just we can go into a folder. Okay, we can start with that. There is virtual assistant. So assistant we have to start person assistant creation. Okay, I think it was executed or not. So already you know is what helps to the system can interact with me with the voice mode wise. Hello, good morning. Like based on time wise, they have to say good evening. Without coding, we have to discuss in a WAP-AI tool. So WAP-AI tool we have to use for developing a without coding part. Just drag and drop method we have to generate. So all that was also we already was discussed, right? So that also we will see now. Just first I run this. Okay. The extension is mismatch. Yeah. I think that my environment was changed recently, so that was it has happened. Yeah. Okay, or else no issue. We have to go into the different one. That was ideally Python ideally is there. That was also convenient here. Okay, where it is. Okay, now it's now needed. Okay, now I have to open the file here. Okay, now I execute here this one. Okay, we have to wait. Okay, Wikipedia error. Okay, so here is no need something. So unwanted thing is there. I have to mute.
Good evening, myself Jarvis sir. Please tell me how can I help you today?
So now it was ready to listen my voice. So now when the listenable came, I have to say it to my commands. So now I ready to execute that. Yeah, just a minute, just a minute. Okay. Yeah. Open YouTube. So already we know this. So based on my command wise, they have to execute to each process one by one. And open Google. Open Stack Overflow. Open Instagram. Open Facebook. Play music. play music. So now it was there, but it is not execute. Maximize the window.
Ready, mame.
Just the song will be played, and the remaining thing is the open video. That also same problem. Sometimes the
AI makes decisions. It all starts with agents and their
sometimes will happen. The it's
AI
not maximize the window like this. Then remaining things, open photo. Open photo. Okay, again it's the same thing. It's asking, okay, always. So the photo has been opened like this, and the remaining thing, open PPT. Open PPT. Yeah, now this also open now. You can see the WPS here. So like this way, the assistant will be repeatedly do the work. So now I guess I have to complete my work, means I have to say the complete this task. So now again I have to go with the platforms or online platforms like YouTube. Open YouTube. Already YouTube window is there. Again I said open YouTube. Exactly. So again you can open YouTube. So how many time I have to say, they have to implement the process repeatedly. Okay, like this way. Okay, now I have to stop this particular process. So now I have to say one particular term of this breaking this kind of execution. So now I have to start to say okay, exit. That's it. When I said exit, automatically the process has to be stopped. Okay, so this was also one of the things, a personal assisting agent. Next, you have to go see with the object detecting agent, right? So we have to go with the object detecting agent. Oh, now it was done. Okay, now it's no needed, so we have to go with that. Okay, same, ideally it was enough fit for every process. Okay, open the file of that. Yeah, here. So now I start to run this process. So based on the camera wise, it was accessing the window. Okay, again it was getting errors. So we can give any gap, means they have to not execute properly. Okay. So this installation process already we know, right? So that's why. Same thing, the pip install concept, we have to install in the every kind of libraries and installing like this format. Here also getting any error, means we can try with the different version. Yeah, same thing. We can try with that. So not this. because some kind of thing having depending on the one particular versions, so we can't use every version for every um, things. So just a minute. So now we can try here. Yeah, yeah, exactly, Prathodel. Now I have on two different platforms. I have to show that. So how can we do our sell our agent here? So after this execution, I have to show that particular two different platforms. Okay, it was there. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so again that same issue is there. Okay, so same issue, the camera issue will be again it will happen. Okay, so you know about the how it was executed, the working process, you know, right? So based on the in front of the camera, I have to show any objects, means they have to execute the process. So before that, I have to show the image. So now we can try with that. Instead of webcam based, we can try with that image. So that was easily execute the process. You can see the based on the image wise, how many people is there, what all the object is there, cell phone, mobile, laptop, cup, and a chair. So entire peoples and entire object they have to detect. Same thing will happen in a real time camera also. So already we was see this one also. Just I can recall this one. Okay. Okay. So now we can use with that and go with that. Oh, sorry. Hand gesture reduction. That was easily execute. You can see that. So each day wise we can discuss one concept like this concept, right? Hand gesture one day was discussed, and object detecting agent was discussed another day. So based on the day wise, the day topic wise, we can upload the source file, presentation, and output sample also we have to provide. Upload in a downloadables. So internship users, you can easily download the content and we can using with yourself, like execute with yourself. That was easy to understand also. So for internship users only it was applicable. Okay, so it takes some time to execute, so we can wait. And yeah, another thing I have to forget. I said now, like the email, we have to connect with that particular agent wise, automatic agent. So here they have to asking some credentials. So it's we have to upgrade the plan. That's why I can't show now. So sorry for that. So internship users, we can see that exact workflow and the execution process and the entire thing you can get. So others you need means you kindly wait. So some other, I think December end, in this particular year, December end, we can try to uh, upload the one video of this automation, like WhatsApp automation. Okay. Okay, shape error. Okay, fine. Yeah, certificate. So today is our, session was completed. So 1 or 2 days we can upload. Send it the certificate with your mail ID or WhatsApp way. We have to send that. The participant certificate you will send it to your mail ID way. Okay, shape error. Okay. Yeah, exactly, Pranathandel. So after this session completions, I mean execution process, I have to share your query, I mean your answer. Okay, so this last two things is getting error because of some mismatch. Any one spelling mistake is there, I think. Okay, so no issue. Because already we was see the output in last previous session, so that's why. Okay, so now so just recall this kind of major things, and the automation process, the N8 to Lin device already was discussed lots of things. There's a drag and drop method only, so I think it was don't need to show now, I think. Okay, now we can go into that Pranav Tandele's answer. Yeah, there was two different platforms there. Like you can ask, we have to sell our AI agents in a two different platforms there. One is a TAR, another one is a I think the name was, yeah, AI agent store. So two different major things. Is this a familiar platform we have to use? TAR, 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 and another one AI agent store. How can we do that? Means just we can start with that AI agent store. And type like a agent store in a Chrome, you can get it the page multiple things. Yeah, so you can see the agent store, agent marketplace is the one of the same Play Store, App Store is there now, same like that is a agent store. We can browse the agent, what are the agent is that we can explore here, as well as upload our agent also. So you need a login for this place, so you can click a login and sign in with your Google wise, same thing. Every website we can easily access for that based on our mail ID wise. The first platform we can use it with the AI agent store. Okay, so now they get a priority placement. So here we can um, upload our this kind of option where you can upload your agent. So enter your agent link. So you can directly send it the file wise. You can share it to your agent proposal link. You can share it here. Followed by that, you can provide your name like VAT number, company number, name, entire thing you have to provide. And here you can get some subscription. So the $50 per year, I think. You have to upload your agent here means. So new agent, you have to use the new agent here means you can click the list new agent, and any agent is there means the demo purpose you have to upload your agent in this place. So entire thing you can followed by your link wise, you can directly upload your agent in this platform. So more or less more three options is there. So get a priority placement, and is the introduce your demo session of your agent. Here is a claim your agent someone with an trial version. Give a try. More or less the demo and trial both are same. These two options for a demo purpose of your agent. Okay, agent store is a agent store. So another one is a TAR, right? I think its name is TAR. Just a minute. Yeah, TARS. I think its name is TARS. TARS AI. TAR and additional one is core. I think I was store it here, but it was not like executed properly. I mean, view properly. You can do it with a sign up format and continue with the Google account wise. Oh, again repeat. Okay, no issue. So it's not a much different thing. Just you can enter to the website. So first I have to set about AI agent store. Okay, the store you can search in a browser. You enter the website means you can log in with your mail ID. Same thing. Okay, now it's not here now. AI agent store is there. You can click the website. Once you enter that, you can log in with your mail ID. So Google account wise, you can log in here. No, it's no needed. Yeah, already said the LangChain and Llama index. That is the two framework they repeatedly we have to using in a most of the AI agents. LangChain and the framework. Sorry, LangChain and Llama index. Sorry. Pranav Tandel, you can forward by the LangChain and Llama index. It's the most, more or less now only it's a trending frameworks in every agent creation process. Apart from that, we have to try with that another tool of Mind Studio. So Mind Studio is one of the not a framework. It's one of the open source tool. We have to build basic agents. The summarizing agent we was discussed, right? That like that. Okay, here the tars also same like that. We can forward by the tars type in a browser and continue with your mail ID wise. Yeah, here you can give it your mobile number. So now you can mobile number and sign up here. Already you can enter, or you can directly go with that login. Two different way. Verification means you have a professional or else original ID you have to create. You can send it this one for business people. Okay, so most of the business people only they have to bought this kind of agent. So you are a real instructor, I mean a real created or not. They have to do a verification. They can't directly contact me. So first they have to analyze your agent. In that particular agent will tell about your work. So it was a real one. It's authentication they have to see now. So that is a verification process. And then they have to implement in a, some kind of task. They are using your agent in a, some kind of task. That task will found you you are a real creator or not, or you are a what is that, how can I say it? The small people not like that, how I don't know how can I say that. Okay, the verification means they have to analyze your work based on your agent wise. They have to believe your work. So in simply said means deployment. Verification is not much different between the deployment. Deployment means we have to provide our work with the every people. They have to use that, like utilize that. That is the verification. That also deployment. Okay, so now yeah, so create an agent. You can here create your agent that directly upload, like deploy in this tool. It was helps to send it to you. You can see that already multiple things is there. 24/7 technical support agent, citizen service agent, AI recruiter, credit card recommendation agent, content, I mean, reproposer AI, and city government AI, and education enrollment counselor, home service assistant. Everything will followed by this. Can we create a agent that verifies another agent whether it meets the desired criteria or not? Yeah, of course, that is a multi-agent. So two different agents will be do their same one particular work. So that each one have a different criteria. They have to follow their comment. I mean, what was that? The doable work only. They each agent has to be done. For an example, the email means they have to send a mail only. They can't. What was that? Generate the content. So like that way, each agent having different criteria and different work. So they're not affecting each other. I mean, how can I say it? I don't know. So each one have a different criteria. They do their work. They're not involved in their particular accept to the work. Yeah. Okay, so here also we can create our own agent, and already exist one also we can use of it here. So it's a tiers one, and the final one we can go with that core AI. That also one of the AI tool. Core AI, like core, we can say like a core.ai. So give a sign in. Oh, here the. Oh, here are the options that, yeah. Same like that. Every most of the website they have to allowing the mail ID, so you can use easily. You can use it your Google account wise. You can log in every websites. Okay, just a minute. I have to share our links. Okay, now I have to share two different link. First one is our AI agent internship link. So anyone interested, you can join with the internship. And another one is a general internship link. So overall our course internship. So we have multiple domains. We have to conduct the internships. So anyone interested, you can use this particular internship registration link. Okay. Okay, still it's loading. I think the internet was range is very low. Okay. So they're also same like the process. So yeah. It's getting too much time to execute. Yeah. So range was it did what slow. Internet range. Okay, so the format will be same. So you can once when you are free, you can see this one. Yeah, I share the attendance link also. Oops. Yeah, I share the attendance link in a chat box. So kindly provide your today's attendance. So it was available in a pinned comment also. And I will share my review link. So if you have any willing to provide a review, kindly give it your review in this particular link. So overall, I have to share the four different links. First one is our masterclass series link, AI agents internship link, and the second one is overall general internship link. Third one is attendance link. Fourth, the last one is a review link. So based on this entire 30 days, how can you feel about this particular masterclass series? Based on our communication and my conversation, knowledge sharing, so content related everything you have to feel free to share. So thank you all. Thank you so much. So in this particular opportunity, and you thanks for that. So we got a chance. We will meet with the next session also. So I think our next planning session is the responsible AI. So what is it exactly? We can entire series we have to conduct. We can plan to make into a fully hands-on way. One day also we can get a theoretical part. Now we have to plan. Still it was processing. As soon as possible, you have to share the topic and the announcement link. Everything you will share. So screen off. Okay, sorry. Oh, sorry. Yeah, thank you. Yes, go yeah, thank you. Okay, so we can't give a ending to this entire journey of AI to learn about that. This is not a ending, it's a beginning to learn about AI. So stay tuned to follow our channel. Already I was said this, right? I can share the what was the portfolio creation in Facebook. We have to create our portfolio. Facebook account base. We have to create a portfolio. I will post the separate video for that. So stay tuned with our channel. Kindly subscribe to our channel. You can get a notification from us as soon as well. Yeah, the certifications we can provide in 1 or 2 days. So the participant certification based on our attendance count wise, we can provide the attendance certificates. So we will update on the 1 or 2 days. So mostly we can share it our attendance in soft copy. You send it to your mail ID. So register mail ID. So kindly follow with our coordinator. The contact number already you have, right? So this is our contact number. So once you can note that. So you have any queries means you can contact my mail ID directly. Give a mail to me also. Okay, Vaishnavi PV. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for your words. So more or less, everyone can try to give a review in the link, in that particular link. So I will share that link. So in that particular link, you can give it your review. That was better to our improvement. I will again send this link also. Okay, thank you all, thank you so much. Thank you for your patience and listening and your support also. So we will meet on the another masterclass series. See you all.